Hey, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another first impressions video. I have one of you guys to thank, although I can't find the original comment that was left in one of my previous videos that this was being sent to me by one of my subscribers. So if you are watching this video, please hit me up on Instagram, drop a comment here so I know who you are and I know who to shout out. And I'm really appreciative of this being sent my way. The scent we are talking about today is Soul Batik from Moresque. This is a scent that has been on my radar for a little while. It's one that I don't know too much about. I guess less so this particular scent and more so the brand itself. They're an Italian brand, founder of the brand. From my understanding, her ultimate goal was to combine Italian taste with Arabic charm. So my guess is that this is going to be a complex fragrance. I'm excited to bust this open, give it a try. As I always do, I'm gonna get it on skin, walk you guys through what I pick up and give you my true, honest first impressions of Soul Batik from Moresque. Let's get into it. So it looks like on FragranceNet right now, you can get Soul Batik for around $140. And that would put it roughly around, mid to upper tier designer level pricing. So again, I can't speak to the quality here yet. I haven't tried it or, the overall performance, but that's what we're going to do. I really like this design when you open the box. It's interesting. It has a nice pattern. I love the blend of gold and the brown. So I think just on initial impressions of opening the box, it looks like a really nice presentation and not too overdone. And I like the bottle as well. I like this kind of ambery color bottle glass here with that design, that same design that's on the box on the front of the bottle. And then you just have the badge on the front. And yeah, there's no stickers here. It's just kind of etched in the glass. So nice heavy cap, really heavy cap. Feels quality in the hand. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Fantastic atomizer. Puts out a lot of juice. Okay. Man, I'm telling you, this kind of scent DNA already is right up my alley. I'm picking up a lot of amber in the air. It's reminding me a little bit of a similar amber that you would find in something like a Serge Lutens Ambre Sultan. There's a lot of spice, a little bit of fruitiness, a little bit of vanilla, smoky. Yeah, I'm liking this so far. All right, in the air, perfect timing. This is reminding me of like Halloween, cooler weather as it cools down, the leaves changing, just that fall feel in the air. That's what I'm getting. Let's see what this does off of skin. Really, really like this one. Has a lot of resin to it. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It has a nice balance of those resins along with the smokiness. And a really nice fruitiness. I don't know what that's coming from. It's a balance of fruit and spice. Could be something like a cardamom. The more I smell it in the air and off of the skin, that's where I'm leaning. And it's really well done. Smells of great quality. So the quality's there. This is impressive. I'm, again, a sucker for these types of DNAs. Fruity, smoky. I guess I'm just in the mood right now because, it's cooling down a bit here. It's been cooler in the mornings in the Boston area. And it automatically puts my brain into these types of fragrances. Fragrances that are a little bit more resinous and rich, a little bit more complex, so to speak, because, we're kind of getting away from some of the, one-dimensional freshies, two-dimensional freshies. You have the, the citrus and the musks, and we love those fragrances. They're super easy to reach for, especially in hot weather. But these ones, I don't know. I'm a sucker for this stuff. Very balsamic feeling, as I said, resinous, syrupy, sweet, but is so well balanced with some aromatic notes in here as well. I'd be really curious to take a look at those notes. Let's do that now. Let's see what's in here. So the notes for Soul Batik from Moresque. Top notes are cardamom and bergamot. Mid notes are incense, geranium, and pink pepper. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, and patchouli. Yeah, so looking at the notes, not super complex on paper. However, that blend of the ambers, of the cardamom, of the vanilla, the incense, it's kind of a tried and true scent DNA. I'm having trouble, I guess, comparing this to anything else. One thing that stands out to me is how similar it smells to Boss Bottled Elixir, which is one of my favorite fragrances right now, and I'm looking forward to wearing that one in the winter as well. It's kind of reminding me a little bit of that. This is a little bit more balsamic than that fragrance. That fragrance a little drier, but the elements are there. Some of those same elements are there. And I think the biggest standout in this fragrance for me is the amber. Again, not an overly complex scent on paper or off a skin, but I can appreciate that. I'd be more curious about the performance here. My expectations would be that you're going to get good longevity from a scent DNA like this, or at least you should. Maybe not the best projection. I think this has a sexy edge to it. This would be really perfect for like an evening out, cooler weather, but I would also wear this during the day for sure. Because of that cardamom, because of that fruitiness that I'm getting up top, and some of those aromatic notes, like the geranium here is adding a little bit of earthiness and kind of lightening things up a bit, because I think it needs it in this fragrance. Not that it's super heavy, but I think that it needs it. As it's drying a bit, I'm getting a little bit more of that patchouli, adding a richness to this. And I think this one's going to last. I really do. And if it does, for that $140 price point for a scent like this, you are, Italian made. I'm guessing a smaller house, small and niche house. I haven't tried anything else from them. They call this a part of their secret collection. So yeah, I'd be curious to dip more into Moresque and see what other offerings they have. So yeah, I'm really liking this one. Thank you. Whoever sent this to me, I truly appreciate it. Again, drop it in the comment section down below. As always, I'm going to wear it. I'm going to try it. I'm going to talk more about it in my weekly wears video. If not this week, because I have a theme going this week, the week following. And the 7 fragrances sitting behind me right now, that is last week's rotation. So if you guys have not watched that video, I will link it here for you. But would love to know your thoughts on Moresque's Soul Batik. Is this one that you've tried? Is it one that you've wanted to try for a while? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. But if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.